If you find yourself having to make constant updates inside of an After Effects file, motion graphic templates help reduce resource and render times. Motion graphic templates let you build a graphic once and then edit it directly inside of Premiere Pro. Here, I've got a reusable lower third template. I can update the name, subtitle, colors, and even toggle the logo on or off, all without opening the original After Effects project. The reason this works is because the template was built inside of After Effects using the Essential Graphics panel. Anything you expose inside Essential Graphics can be passed through to Premiere as an editable control. In this example, I've exposed the text fields, brand colors, and a few optional settings that I want editors to be able to change later. Once everything is set up, exporting is straightforward. No need to reopen After Effects, no need to edit the original project. Preview the result and keep moving. If you're creating the same graphics repeatedly, motion graphic templates are one of the easiest ways to build a more scalable workflow.